Did you know that what truly sets wealthy people apart isn't just how much they earn, but how they manage, protect, and grow their wealth? It's not just about money, it's about mastering certain habits rich people won't tell you. Today, we're diving into 20 powerful habits that play a key role in the success of the wealthy. Curious to unlock the secrets of wealthy people's daily habits? Let's dive in. 1. Invest in continuous learning. Have you ever noticed how wealthy people never stop learning? It's one of the most crucial habits rich people won't tell you about. Continuous learning isn't just a choice for them, it's a necessity. Whether it's through books, courses, or seminars, they're always expanding their knowledge. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, spends up to 6 hours a day reading. This relentless pursuit of knowledge isn't just about staying informed, it's about staying ahead. By constantly learning, they uncover opportunities that others might miss and make informed decisions that keep them on top. It's a habit deeply ingrained in their daily routine, driving their ongoing success and growth. 2. Live below their means. Did you know that many wealthy people consciously choose to live well below their means? Take Warren Buffett, for example. Even though he's one of the richest people in the world, he still lives in the house he bought in 1958. Buffett knows that true wealth isn't about showing off, but about saving and investing wisely. By avoiding unnecessary luxuries, the wealthy can consistently grow their assets. This disciplined approach not only helps them build wealth, but also provides them with the freedom to invest in opportunities that others might miss. Over time, these habits lead to a compounding effect, where their wealth continues to grow exponentially. It's a strategy that ensures they remain financially secure, regardless of economic fluctuations. 3. Invest in assets over liabilities. Rich people understand the critical difference between assets and liabilities, a concept heavily emphasized by Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Assets such as real estate, stocks, or businesses are investments that put money into your pocket. In contrast, liabilities like luxury cars that depreciate over time drain your finances. By focusing on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities, the wealthy generate continuous income and build lasting wealth. This asset-driven approach is a cornerstone of their wealth-building habits, ensuring financial growth over the long term. In addition, they often reinvest the returns from their assets into more wealth-generating opportunities, creating a cycle of continuous growth. By avoiding the temptation to spend on liabilities, they ensure their financial resources are used efficiently. This disciplined focus on assets is what sets them apart, allowing them to expand their wealth steadily while maintaining financial security. 4. Build multiple income streams. Why depend on just one income source when you can diversify like the wealthy do? One of the key habits rich people won't tell you is their strategy of creating multiple income streams. For instance, Elon Musk doesn't just rely on Tesla. He generates income from SpaceX, Neuralink, and other businesses. This approach offers financial security and greater opportunities for wealth growth. By diversifying their income, wealthy people ensure that if one stream underperforms, others can keep their financial momentum strong. It's a fundamental part of their wealth-building strategies that leads to sustained success. 5. Network with purpose. Did you know that one of the habits rich people won't tell you about is how intentional they are with their relationships? Wealthy people strategically build networks that not only support them, but also push them to grow. Consider Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. They've cultivated a close friendship where they regularly exchanged ideas and advice. This is a prime example of how your network can directly impact your net worth. Surrounding yourself with like-minded, successful individuals can open doors to opportunities you might never have discovered on your own. This purposeful networking is a key aspect of wealthy people's daily habits and a critical component of financial success. 6. Leverage tax advantages. Have you considered how much more you could save by using tax strategies effectively? Let me explain. Rich people are experts at leveraging the tax system to their advantage. They strategically invest in tax-deferred accounts, claim every possible deduction, and utilize tax credits to reduce their liabilities. This approach frees up more money for investments in savings accelerating their wealth accumulation. Financial experts like Tom Wheelwright emphasize the importance of maximizing tax breaks, ensuring that more of their money works for them rather than going to taxes. By leveraging these tax advantages, rich people significantly boost their financial growth and secure their wealth for the future. 7. Seek mentorship. Did you know that one of the keys to success for rich people is finding the right mentor? Let me explain. Successful people recognize the immense value of learning from those who have already been through the challenges they're facing. They actively seek out mentors who can offer guidance, share their experiences, and help them avoid common mistakes. Steve Jobs, for example, frequently turned to his mentor, Mike Markkula, during Apple's early days. By learning from others, the wealthy accelerate their success and make more informed decisions, building a foundation for lasting achievement. This mentorship-driven approach not only refines their strategies, but also provides a valuable network of support that continues to benefit them throughout their journey. 8. Self-investment. Have you ever considered how much investing in yourself can impact your wealth? Let me break it down. For rich people, self-investment is a top priority. They consistently spend on financial education, personal development, and experiences that expand their horizons. Tony Robbins, a well-known motivational speaker and entrepreneur, often stresses the importance of investing in oneself. By continually enhancing their skills and knowledge, they increase their value in the market, which in turn boosts their ability to generate wealth. This ongoing commitment to self-improvement is a key factor in their financial success, setting them apart from the rest. Beyond just skills, they also focus on mental and physical health, understanding that a well-rounded self-investment leads to greater resilience and productivity. Over time, these investments compound, much like financial investments, leading to exponential growth in both their personal and professional lives. 9. Set long-term goals. Did you know that wealthy people often plan decades ahead, not just a few years? One of the key habits rich people won't tell you is their focus on long-term goals. Jeff Bezos, for example, built Amazon with a vision for the future, often prioritizing sustainable growth over short-term profits. By setting long-term goals, the rich ensure that every financial decision aligns with a bigger vision, allowing them to build lasting empires. This forward-thinking approach is a cornerstone of rich people's daily habits and a major contributor to their enduring success. 10. Embrace failure as a learning tool. Rich people don't see failure as a roadblock. They see it as a stepping stone to success. Entrepreneurs like Richard Branson have encountered numerous failures, yet they use each setback as a chance to learn and grow. For instance, Branson's early challenges with Virgin Records taught him valuable lessons that eventually led to the company's success. Wealthy people understand that every failure carries a lesson, and by embracing these lessons, they refine their strategies and improve their chances of future success. It's this mindset that turns failures into opportunities for growth, making resilience a key part of their wealth-building habits. 11. Avoid unnecessary debt. Did you know that one of the critical habits rich people won't tell you is their careful approach to debt? While they recognize that certain types of debt, like mortgages or business loans, can be beneficial, they steer clear of unnecessary debt, such as high-interest credit card balances. Rich people are acutely aware that high-interest debt can quickly eat into their wealth. Financial experts like Dave Ramsey stress the importance of living debt-free, advocating for paying off debts quickly to free up resources for investing and wealth building. By avoiding unnecessary debt, rich people maintain financial stability and ensure their resources are directed toward growth rather than liabilities. This cautious approach is a key aspect of their financial strategy and daily habits, contributing to their enduring success. 12. Stay financially flexible. Ever wondered why financial flexibility is so crucial to the wealthy? Let me explain. Rich people understand the importance of not locking all their money into assets that can't be quickly accessed. Instead, they keep a portion of their funds liquid, ready to respond to opportunities or emergencies. Imagine a scenario where the market dips and valuable assets become available at a discount. Those who have the financial flexibility can capitalize on these deals. For instance, during economic downturns, Financially savvy individuals like Ray Dalio maintain liquid funds, enabling them to buy undervalued assets and turn a profit. This ability to adapt ensures they are always in a position of strength, ready to seize new opportunities as they arise. Being financially flexible isn't just about security, it's about staying ahead of the curve and continually growing wealth. 13. Practice patience in investing. Patience is more than just a virtue. It's a fundamental strategy in investing. Warren Buffett often emphasizes that the stock market rewards those who are patient and willing to wait for their investments to mature. Rich people understand that true wealth building doesn't happen overnight. It requires time and persistence. Instead of chasing quick gains, they focus on long-term investments that may take years to pay off, but offer significant rewards. This patient approach allows them to ride out market fluctuations and achieve sustained financial growth. By holding onto their investments through market ups and downs, they avoid the pitfalls of emotional decision-making. They know that the real gains come from sticking to a well-thought-out strategy, allowing compounding to work its magic over time. This long-term mindset is what separates successful investors from those who fall prey to short-term thinking. 14. Plan for retirement early. Ever thought about the impact of starting your retirement planning early? Let me break it down. The sooner you begin saving and investing for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Wealthy people, like Sue Zorman, recognize the power of compound interest and make it a priority to start early. Even small contributions, when given enough time, can grow into significant sums, ensuring financial security in their later years. By planning ahead, they're not just securing their future, they're maximizing the potential of every dollar saved, making retirement not just comfortable, but truly rewarding. 15. Track finances meticulously. How do wealthy people maintain such precise control over their finances? One of the key habits rich people won't tell you is their meticulous tracking of every dollar. For instance, Oprah Winfrey is famous for her diligent financial habits, closely monitoring her spending, savings, and investments to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. This detailed approach enables the wealthy to make informed financial decisions, avoid unnecessary expenses, and sustain their wealth over time. It's a crucial daily habit that significantly contributes to their long-term financial success. 16. Keep a positive money mindset. One of the key habits rich people often keep under wraps is maintaining a positive attitude toward money. Let me explain. Wealthy people view money as a tool to achieve their goals, not merely an end in itself. This mindset guides them in making decisions that favor long-term success over short-term gratification. Tony Robbins frequently highlights the importance of a positive mindset in reaching financial success. By focusing on abundance rather than scarcity, rich people position themselves for continuous growth and lasting prosperity. This optimistic outlook allows them to navigate challenges with confidence and maintain momentum on their journey to wealth. 17. Capitalize on opportunities in everyday life. Have you ever considered how everyday moments could lead to wealth? Rich people are constantly on the lookout for investment opportunities, even in the most ordinary situations. Let me explain. Peter Lynch, a famous investor, would invest in companies whose products his family regularly used. By paying attention to consumer trends and everyday behaviors, wealthy people identify profitable opportunities that others might miss. This habit is a key part of the financial freedom that underpins their success. Spotting these opportunities in daily life allows them to build wealth by capitalizing on trends early and making smart, informed decisions that align with their wealth-building habits. 18. Negotiate with confidence. What's the secret behind how rich people consistently land the best deals? Let me break it down. Whether it's a business agreement, salary negotiation, or a major purchase, they approach negotiations with unwavering confidence, fully aware of their value. Barbara Corcoran, a renowned real estate expert, credits much of her success to her ability to strike deals that others might avoid. This habit of confidently negotiating not only results in better outcomes, but also paves the way for more advantageous terms, significantly boosting their financial success. By understanding what they bring to the table, they're able to assert their positions without hesitation. This confidence also allows them to walk away from deals that don't serve their interests, knowing that better opportunities will arise. Over time, this practice of firm negotiation strengthens their wealth-building strategy and reinforces their financial independence. 19. Protect their time fiercely. What's the key to how the rich manage their time so effectively? Here's the breakdown. For rich people, time is their most precious resource. Successful people like Elon Musk manage their time with meticulous care, focusing only on activities that align with their long-term goals. They understand that wasting time means losing valuable opportunities, so they prioritize tasks with the highest impact. By refusing distractions and unnecessary commitments, they ensure their time is spent on what truly matters. This diligent protection of their time allows them to remain focused and productive, driving consistent progress toward their financial objectives. They often delegate tasks that don't require their direct attention, further maximizing their efficiency. In essence, they treat time as a finite asset, making every minute count toward their success. 20. Prioritize health. Lastly, rich people truly grasp the connection between health and wealth. For a successful entrepreneur like Richard Branson, maintaining well-being is a daily habit that plays a vital role in his financial success. Branson's commitment to a morning routine that includes exercise and a balanced diet fuels the energy and focus he needs to manage his businesses. This practice is more than just a part of his day. It's essential to his wealth-building strategy. Without good health, even the richest lifestyle loses its value. Staying healthy ensures that they can enjoy and sustain their wealth over the long term, making it a crucial part of their financial habits. And there you have it, 20 habits that wealthy people often keep to themselves. These strategies are more than just tips. They represent a mindset and lifestyle that foster lasting financial success. As you begin to integrate these habits into your own life, remember that wealth isn't just about what you earn. It's about how you manage, protect, and grow what you have. Start with 1 or 2 habits, build consistency, and observe how these small changes can lead to a significant transformation in your financial future. Here's to building wealth the smart way.